the downside is very hard to manage, and the ego is like scattered.
Anyway. You mentioned the word ego, which is interesting. Something I would like to share with you as well as the audience. I was at Ideal Fest Jakarta last year, October, and the Minister of Pariwisata, Dr. I.R. Arif Yahya, he spoke this in public. What he said, because it is interesting because he mentioned about collaboration, the ego of Indonesian, right? What he said was, Malaysian jangan sentap sangat. Ini menteri dia kata. Minister of Pariwisata means Menteri Tourism, the tourism minister. In public, in front of young entrepreneurs, he said, I quote, Singapura adalah professional competitor, manakala Malaysia adalah emotional competitor. That's why. Are we really that emotional? And number two, he said, berjaya kalahkan Thailand adalah sesuatu yang membanggakan. Berjaya kalahkan Malaysia adalah amat memuaskan. That's what he said. A minister from Indonesia. So it is a bit tricky. You might want to clear the air with fellow Malaysians here. Because as far as I know, it's only you and your wife here are Indonesian. So you're surrounded by Malaysia. I mean, if you can to explain Riel a little bit.
I still can go home, right? Well, I think, yeah, Malaysia, Indonesia is rumpun, right? So, like in the family, of course, there's a competition between brother and sister, with the siblings. So, I think the positive point that we need to take from here is that every country has its creativity, has their identities that they need to protect, they need to keep, and they need to enrich it. And they need to have it as their own identities, not for others to claim it. So I think it's a motivation for the youngsters to be able to to be in front for whatever that is.